Welcome to my new series of Machine Learning Knowledge Bytes, where I explain machine learning fundamentals in two ways, for beginners and then for advanced levels. This video is all about linear regression. Let's get started with the beginner's version. Today we're going to talk about one of the most basic but also incredibly powerful techniques in machine learning, linear regression. So, what is linear regression? Well, let's get started by thinking about a graph. Imagine we have a bunch of points on a graph and we want to find a line that best fits those points. That line is called a regression line, and the process of finding that line is called linear regression. But why is this useful? Well, let's say we have a bunch of data about houses in a neighborhood, their size, the number of bedrooms, and their price. We can use linear regression to find the line that best fits this data, which will allow us to make predictions about the price of a house based on its size and the number of bedrooms. Now, linear regression might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it. And the best part is, once we have that line, making predictions is as easy as plugging some numbers and letting the math do the work for us. So, there you have it. Linear regression, a simple but powerful technique for making predictions based on data. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Now, for the advanced version. If you're already familiar with linear regression, you might be thinking, oh, this is going to be a breeze, but hold on, because we're going to take a closer look at some of the nitty-gritty details that makes this technique powerful. So, what is linear regression exactly? Simply put, it's a method for finding the line that best fits a set of data points. But what does that mean, and why is it useful? Well, let's say we have a data set that includes the square footage and number of bedrooms for a bunch of houses, as well as their sale price. We can use linear regression to find the line that best fits this data, which will allow us to make predictions about the sale price of a house based on its square footage and the number of bedrooms. But how does linear regression actually work? Well, it's all about finding the line with the smallest error. That is the difference between the line and the actual data points. And this is where things get a little bit more technical. First, we need to define a cost function that measures the error of a given line. Then we need to use an optimization algorithm, like gradient descent, to find the line that minimizes the cost function. And voila, we have our regression line. But that's not all. Linear regression can actually be extended to handle multiple input variables, known as multiple linear regression. This allows us to make predictions based on even more complex data sets. So there you have it, a brief dive into the world of linear regression. It might sound daunting at first, but with a little bit of math and some clever algorithms, we can use this technique to make all sorts of powerful predictions based on data. Thanks for watching and happy learning. If you're enjoying this series of beginner versus advanced explanations of machine learning fundamentals, the little knowledge bites we're doing, please let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn about, and I will see you in the next one.
Hey there! Thanks for checking out this video. Remember to give it a like and share with your community. Then hit subscribe and the bell for all the latest content that will help you build on AWS.